Welcome back to another taste testing video of trying Japan and Chinese snacks
and Korean.
And Korean. We said we'd do another video of trying them before I left for the my vacation. So I ordered them when I was on vacation, so they came in after, so I have them on time. So we're gonna just try to taste test them again because people have been requesting to do another video, so we're just gonna do that. So we're gonna start with the snacks first. So which one do you want to try first?
Whatever you say.
Let's try this one. So these are shrimp crackers.
These are from Korea.
Yes.
I have no idea what the hell these are. Oh God. Oh God. That smells awful. It smells like there's fucking dead fish in there.
There's nothing strange about it. There's nothing.
Oh my God. It's so bad.
There's nothing strange in it. It's just all the basics. It's like stuff we recognize. It just smells like shrimp.
It smells like they died.
This is what they look like. They're like little noodles.
Oh God.
It tastes like fish food. It tastes like that.
Oh my God.
It tastes like fish food.
Yeah. It tastes like what fish would eat.
It's like I'm eating a fish and I'm like, I'm a
that's
fish.
so bad. That's so bad.
Okay.
Get that away from me. Oh my God.
Okay, these are the same thing, but these are rice cakes. So these are shrimp rice cakes. So hopefully these will be better.
And I want to say these are from...
I don't remember.
either Japan or China. I know there's a big difference on that, but it's definitely one of them.
They smell the same, but like it's less strong.
Fuck.
What I noticed
That's
is
so bad.
it
I want
has
that one.
shrimp pieces. Show the shrimp pieces, the red pieces on there.
Oh, right.
See?
Yes.
Right there.
there's
Like it's like there's red shrimp pieces in it.
no. Oh my God. Fuck.
Ugh.
This shit's gonna get me sick. Oh my God.
I think these are more of a shrimp fishy flavor than anything, but these I would eat rather than those.
Horrible.
Oh, I'd rather eat these than those.
Both horrible.
Yeah, they're both pretty
I
bad.
give that, the first one's a 1, the second one's a 2
like
for
a
me.
3.
Both are fucking terrible.
Okay. Let's try these. These are like black pepper, like popcorn, crunchy crisps things. I forgot where these were from.
Different Japan.
Wow, the black pepper is really strong. Look how they're coated.
I smelled that before. I don't know what it is exactly, but
Look how coated.
Like
it's like a piece of chicken, but
popcorn
it's not.
chicken or something like that.
But it's really black. It's like all black pepper.
Please tell me it's gonna be better. Huh. They're a lot better, I can tell you that much. But
Yeah,
I can't tell
The
they're supposed to be.
aftertaste. I don't know. There's some kind of like hard, crunchy, crisp balls thingies. They're just like, if you can see inside, they're like smothered in the black pepper.
They're alright, but I don't know what they're supposed to be. I give these 6.
This one I've been waiting for. This is red bean paste bread, and I've always wanted to try like the red bean paste type of foods and stuff like that, which is popular there. So this is a pastry, and this is the red bean paste, and this is the bread loaf like that.
Smells like alcohol bread or something.
It smells like egg.
I don't know where you got eggs from.
Try it. Is the bread good?
It's okay.
Try the filling.
What is filling?
It's red bean paste.
I don't really taste anything. I just taste bread. I think with a 7
Here.
because I like bread. I still don't taste anything.
I do. It's sweet. It's fluffy. It's fresh.
It's a 7 for me.
Tastes sugary. I can taste plum. It's good bread.
Mm-hmm.
It's good like to dip in your coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
I'm surprised it was so, like stayed fresh. It's really good. Okay. Our last snack besides our drinks. This is sour plum fruit leather.
It's from Japan.
Yeah. Yep, definitely can smell the plum. So this is fruit leather. This is what it looks like. Like that. Looks more brighter on camera, but it's actually really dark.
Well.
It's really strong tasting.
Oh God.
It's not that good.
Of
It's
course
really-
it is. Oh my
It's
God.
not that good. I don't like it. Ugh.
Huh.
Awful. Give it like a 1.
You hate it that much.
Eat more bread.
Wow.
Yeah, some bread.
I give it. I can see if it. I think it's the flavor that I don't like, but I can see some type of flavor.
I
These
can
be really good. So I give it a 3 for that.
I can see somebody liking these.
I just don't like the flavor.
All right, let's get this over with. This is fruit jelly drink, aloe vera drink. Apparently you can drink aloe vera as a juice. The stuff you put on your skin for sunburns.
Hello.
Aloe. So we're gonna drink some aloe. Okay. Oh, God.
I think I should do it first.
It smells good. Smells like I should put up my skin.
Yes.
Go ahead. It's jelly, so it's thick.
I think I've had this before. Or something like it before. It's not bad. It just, the jelly just feels weird to me. I give it a 6.
I like it. I think it needs to be shooken up though. I think it all settled. but I do like it though. It's really good. Okay, so we're gonna do this one first. This is blueberry, I mean not blueberry, this is yogurt soda. This is yogurt flavored soda. Cap came off. Okay, so there's this ball in the middle right here that you gotta drop down from here. That's how you drink it. It's actually really hard to, so I think you should think using the cap or something.
I have no idea.
Something like
There's
that.
various instructions right here.
So
Is it like smash it or something?
try to push this down. Should do this off camera. Try to smash this bit into there. We'll try to open the other one, and this we'll just cut the video.
Yeah, I don't know what you're supposed to do.
Yeah. Okay. Having technical difficulties.
Yeah, that is not coming.
Well, while he does that, so I just ordered this drink. It's from DoorDash. It's boba. Boba Pearls, brown sugar boba. And I wanted to try it with you. It's really good. It's the first time trying brown sugar boba. I've had boba before. You're still trying to get it. Hold on.
It just doesn't want to do it.
Can we pause this?
Well, then it restarts the video. We can cut that. We can cut most of this out. I know to do that.
There's the cap. I lost the cap.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to. It doesn't
What the directions say? Take off that.
Oh. Are we supposed to cut this open? Yes.
Oh. Where is...
Then.
Oh. And then push
you
it
do
down.
this. That's the hard part though, because it wouldn't go down. How strong do you have to be?
Got mine. All right. Wait, which one you want to try first? Try the yogurt one.
Oh, it really does go inside it.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you just throw in plastic inside the damn thing?
Okay.
Okay.
How was it?
It's like yogurt. It's pretty damn good.
Tastes like cotton candy.
Cotton candy flavored yogurt was actually probably my favorite as a kid.
Okay, this one's blueberry. This one's blueberry soda.
It's very good. I rate this a 9.
Mmm. I like this one.
Blueberry.
It's really good.
I rate this one an 8. I like how I get it a little more.
Don't spill it.
Oops.
Well, that was it.
That was?
Yep.
I need to try that.
Oh, here.
I am not a boba fan. Listen to me. What is it?
Brown sugar.
That's why. It's not horrible. It's probably the best one you've ordered.
So that was the video. That was it.
What?
Yep, that's everything.
The drinks are the best.
Yeah, they are. The bread is my favorite.
These two are the best. Then the bread. Then these. And the rest was pretty bad.
This drink isn't bad.
Oh, and then that.
Once you shake it up.
But yeah, everything else was pretty bad.
But yeah. These were good. I'd eat these if I was like, had the munchies.
Yeah.
I'd eat the shit out of that bread. But
Yeah.
that was it. That's the video. That's it. Goodbye.
Peace.